welcome back to my channel. If you are new to the channel, welcome, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. And today I'm going to make a Nepali dish called Aloo Cauli, or it's also called as Aloo cauliflower-potato. This is a potato cauliflower dish, and my mom makes this recipe and it's one of my favorites. Let's talk about the ingredients. So I've got cauliflower, and this one I've already rinsed, and make sure you cut your cauliflower into this size florets. You don't want to cut them too small, then it gets all mushy. I've also included the tender leaves and some of the stalks. Just make sure you chop them finely. Next, potatoes. I've peeled and chopped them as well. Make sure you cube them into even size so they all cook evenly. I've also got some peas. These are just frozen peas. If you have fresh, you can use that. About the spices, I've got a couple of things here. So I've got fenugreek seeds, cumin seeds, and I'm going to leave them whole. Then for the powder or ground spices, we've got turmeric, some roasted cumin powder, red chili pepper, salt, black pepper, oil to cook, and a little bit of ginger. This is just freshly grated ginger, a little bit of water, which we will need later to cook, and cilantro for garnish. So let's gather our ingredients and let's get cooking. So we'll begin by adding our oil to the pan. My pan is at about medium-high heat. And make sure you are a little bit liberal with the oil for this recipe. Once this heats up, add your whole cumin seeds and then fenugreek seeds. Then let it pop. This will take about a minute or two. You don't want them to burn, but you want them to be a little bit fragrant, and it'll start popping in the pan. Now my spices are starting to pop. I'm going to add my potatoes. To that, I'm going to add a little bit of turmeric powder. And now is a good time to add my cauliflower. Give it a nice toss. Then I'm going to add all my other spices. So my ground cumin, a little bit of red chili powder. If you don't want this to be spicy, you can completely skip it. Some salt. Now that I've added all my spices, I'm going to add my frozen peas, followed by the ginger. I'm going to give it a quick toss. So now this is a good time to add a little bit of water to the pot. I'm going to add about maybe 1/4 of a cup. Then I'm going to close the lid and let that steam cook our cauliflower and potatoes for about 5 to 7 minutes, and I'm going to come back and check it. Now that it's been cooking for about 7 minutes, I think we're ready to serve it. So as you can see, the water is evaporated, the cauliflower florets are cooked, and it's staying intact, and that's what you want. And the potatoes are cooked too, but I like to leave them whole. I don't want them mushy or anything. So yeah, it's ready. So the only thing left to do is garnish this with a little bit of cilantro. So I'm going to transfer this into a bowl. Lastly, some freshly minced chopped cilantro. And here you have it. So this is your Nepali-style Cauli aloo. And I really hope you will give this recipe a try. For proper measurement, I'll share the link below. So make sure you check that out and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!